Well, my bike inspection was good, I guess. Now we're doing the driving test. Finally, after 4 years. So, she's gonna get ready. And I'm gonna... Yes.
Shake your head if you can hear it.
Apparently here, the radio is only supposed to be for you. They can't hear what you say, so I didn't know that at first. So
At the street, turn right.
So about the time that the instructor tells you where to turn, you should probably turn your signal lights on, or about 100 feet if you're not with an instructor. And right here, I was just waiting for enough open space for both of us to go in. Obviously, I'm not going to leave her behind.
At the street, turn left. At the street, turn left. Turn left.
There was obviously a problem right there, and it was that I couldn't hear them, what they were saying. I heard the radio, but it sucks, honestly. It's on your shirt, just hanging, and the motorcycle, mine is not even that loud, and I can't imagine how a loud bike can, work with that radio, or walkie-talkie, whatever it is.
Straight ahead.
And if you see the camera angle, like tilting a certain way, kind of to the left, that was because I was trying to hear the radio. It was really hard to hear, like I said.
Drive to the curb and stop. Continue forward. Continue forward.
So before I got told to turn to the curb, I put my signals on, kind of looked around. I really didn't know exactly what to do, but just make sure nothing's in the curb, I guess,
Turn right.
and just pull into it slowly and don't get in the ditch. After this, the rest is pretty simple. I get asked to
Turn left.
turn left and right. I'm gonna cut some of this part off just to make a shorter video, but like I said, it's pretty simple. Another thing, try to keep your speed around the speed limit. Don't go too fast. In this case, it was like 25 tops that I had to ride on. 25 miles per hour is not really much at all. But just try not to speed or go too slow, because they're gonna think you're scared or something. So here I'm finishing up. This is about the last road that I'm doing, and then I turn to the left after this. And what else?
And we shall be done now. She got stuck now. Let's see how I did.
Here's the walkie-talkie that they use to talk to you. It's a little square.
Alright, young man. You're going to take this piece of paper with you to the tag office.
Alrighty.
And then hook you up. Alright? Be safe.
Thank you.
Okay.
It's hot.
Put your current driver's license with you to any tag office, okay?
Any tag office?
Any tag office.
There's the one in the square right here, right?
Second in Evergreen.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. So, I passed. Sweet. That was simple enough, right? I guess y'all saw all of it. Hopefully my camera was like directed to where I was looking at, I guess.
So before you even start writing in the actual test, the instructor goes over your left and right blinkers, the front brake and the rear brake. You make sure those work before you even go try to take the test. They probably look at the left and right mirror also. Here in Oklahoma, you have to have both. I'm not sure about other states, but hopefully you pass if you haven't taken it yet. And if you don't pass, you're just a dumbass and you should just quit trying in life. I'm just kidding, but it's easy enough. Keep practicing if you don't pass the first time. And thank you for watching. Like the video. Have a good one. Peace out.